Chilling with teammate Skillz. You know what I mean?
Alright, so I'm about to go to the in-laws camper and check this joint. Damn, this joint right here is nice.
Make sure
Probably do a tour of that one too.
Not scratching up the truck.
So yeah, we out here chilling.
Hey.
Blocking up traffic. Another camper coming through. We got another camper. Oh man. Yeah, I'm nice right now. Oh, look at this. Another RV. Big boy right there. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Good to see you. Same here. Doing my little vlog thing.
I said welcome. I know the first time.
This is my co-in-law right there. That's Dad. Doing the vlog. Now I'm going to take a tour to
Gene,
this
is gonna hold the dog while you give
this
him
is
the
the
tour.
J Flight. This is a nice size.
I can give him the tour. I'll give him a tour.
Oh, make an air in here. This is nice. Yes, ma'am.
Gizmo almost just got run over.
Huh?
That truck was like, the lady next to us told this truck to stop. But,
Gizmo's behind me?
yeah, he's under our camera now, but here it comes. Gizmo!
What do I do now?
I just don't want him to get hit. That truck is barreling down the road.
Thanks, Brittany.
That's
Gizmo.
That's Richard's dog. That's my husband, Dave.
All right.
Here 20 minutes to get me in trouble.
What's up, Pat?
What are we talking? Hey!
All right, yeah, let's go in
You
here.
ready for the tour? I'm shaking your hand. What's up, man? How are
What's
you?
going on, man?
Nice to see you.
You know I sell to your channel, right?
Dude? From the, when I posted that,
Yeah.
video from the contest.
Right.
Yeah, Britt was telling me you were showing a bunch of people.
Okay. Oh, yeah. This is a pull out, right?
Pull out. Yeah, that wall is the slide.
They got bunks back there. We got
This is the slide out. So this comes in when you're traveling.
comes in when you're traveling. And
It
then,
goes out to give you extra
oh,
room.
this is perfect size.
You got a nice fridge.
Oh, that's what they call a Murphy bed.
Yeah, so the couch goes down and this turns into their bed, and then you got this as their divider.
Okay. Yeah.
Some if you get bigger ones, they'll have like actual rooms,
Chilling.
you know, that are like sectioned off with walls and a door.
Mm-hmm.
But you can have the couch.
Yeah, I
where
love this
sleep
one.
in there.
This. And what size is this?
27 or
TV.
28. These are the
Stove.
oversized bunk beds. So you can
Oversized
fit
bunk
double
beds.
people.
So I'm kidnap the grandkids, take them with me.
You got a full shower, toilet,
Full shower, toilet,
sink,
sink, mirror,
air and heat.
vent,
Vents, yeah, vents on the
air.
side.
This is a refrigerator. Okay.
Yeah, fridge.
Fridge and freezer, right? Oh, you should have put them in the freezer.
I didn't want them freezing in there.
No, but I want to get gelled up quick. They ain't not gonna freeze. Yeah, I got some gelatin shots for later on.
I think they actually already
Yeah, throw them in the freezer for about a half an hour, 40 minutes. We'll be back for them.
microwave.
Got a microwave. Yeah, this is perfect. For 2 people or more, or nice family.
I think you can see
Double
it.
sink.
This goes down for a bed.
So you got another sleeping area right here.
Yeah, the table gets put in the room, and then
Tinted windows.
uh,
Oh yeah, this is really nice.
this folds out to be like a sleeper too.
And this folds out to be a sleeper.
And then you got your queen size bed there.
And it's the owner down. What size is this, Dominic? It's a 30.
27.
27,
This
it's
is
like
27.
28 feet,
Oh,
but the
wow.
box itself is only 23.
Okay. Damn. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, I would definitely put this on my wish list.
TV mount that.
Oh, this Bluetooth.
Oh, radio, yeah,
Radio,
Bluetooth,
okay.
radio.
All your controls and everything.
And then you got your like.
What's the gallon capacity for fresh water and all that good stuff?
58 fresh, 33 black, and 33 gray.
Okay, that's not bad. Yeah.
And then this is how you tell if you're full or not with your tank.
Alright.
Your slide, if you want to hit your slide in and out.
Okay, yeah.
Your awning's automatic too. The awning
Oh, you
outside.
got the awning outside. Okay. And you got LEDs on the outside of this one?
Unopened box. I brought the whole thing.
Just running.
Okay.
It was like like
But
pump in the
yeah,
back.
you got LEDs on these awnings.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's all you need.
Yeah, I got beer. Don't worry about it.
We
Yeah, I like this.
Try to get you something. So
Yeah, this is nice, yo.
We like it.
Other than you not hear nothing.
I love it.
Alright.
And what's the weight on this one? Empty?
Empty 58.
5,800.
Yeah, I think it's 58.
Oh, that's not bad at all. You got they got door axles on there. They got double propane canisters on here.
It is.
That's the information right here.
Empty 57, 78, so it's 5,800. 27, 10. And the box is at 23, 24.
Okay.
Because they usually add 3 foot for this.
Oh, okay. And what type of hitch is this? I know that I've seen different types of hitches.
We have
This is a little bit shorter than what I've seen, but I think this would be better.
the truck's over there. The hitch is on the back of it.
Okay.
It's like we got the first one. I said I want a hitch that if I move up, I don't have to get another hitch.
Mhm.
And he said, all right, well this one will last you any size.
Okay. All right.
And it's electric. It goes up and down,
Oh yeah, that's
and there's a light if you do it at nighttime.
that's decent.
But a lot of them have it.
Okay. All right. Thank you for sharing. That's a Jayco brand.
Jay Feather.
All right. Yeah. So this is how they get it in.
There, on the side here, Richard, is the make model.
Logo.
Oh, you got an outdoor kitchen.
You want the rolls?
You got an outdoor kitchen too.
Yeah. Well, no, just a refrigerator and
Oh man, that's yeah. Got a toaster. There's an outlet back there, a couple outlets. Oh wow, yeah, this is nice. This is really nice.
outdoor speakers.
And they got outdoor speakers. Oh yeah. This is something special right here.
Taking a
There
video.
you go. I hope I brought it up.
Goals.
I only got 4 hot dogs.
Stay tuned.
Okay, well we do indeed.
Yeah. I'm doing my vlog. Alright, this is a MPG. Now what size is this one?
26 is the box, 33 total or 31 total.
33 feet long?
Well, 31 to the tongue, end of the tongue,
Uh-huh.
and 26 is the box,
Okay.
just the box, and it sleeps 9. Believe it or not, this whole
Damn.
thing. Yeah.
Okay, we about to get a tour of this one. I take my shoes off, anything?
Nope, just go like this.
Gotcha.
We don't do that.
Alright. Oh,
We'll clean it up for Sunday. So, the best part about this, you have kids, right?
no, I'm single.
No? Well, then even better.
But I'll have my grandkids every now
check
and
out
then.
our bedroom.
Okay, this is the bedroom area. This is a little.
King size bed.
Oh, this is a king size
You can
bed?
walk around, skip me that
Okay.
I'll trip over. My daughter, my wife are short. But check it out, that's a king size bed. You can walk on both sides.
King size, you can walk on both. Got storage up top.
Yep. I don't even use it. I bring them in a big bag. Got a fridge. Get that.
Got the
And then it's
kitchen.
got this sleeps too.
This part right here
Yep.
sleeps
So
too.
it goes into a bed. This sleeps too.
That one right here sleeps too.
Basically one and one.
This
Really
is a
comfortable.
slider, right? The slide is
slides out. So
yeah,
this-
that's slid out.
When this
alright.
closes up, it comes right. You can only walk like this through it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright,
And this
got you.
closes, and then got a.
And it's got air in here too, right?
Yeah, it's just soft.
Air and heat,
It's
alright.
one, but it's cold.
Okay.
And then
Oh, you got
bunkhouse
2 more?
for the
in here?
kids. 2 and 2 more technically.
Another bunkhouse. Okay. Yeah. Damn. Yeah.
According to the RV place, it sleeps 9,
Gotcha.
but it sleeps 5 really comfortably.
2, 4, 6. Yeah, you.
So we got my wife and I, and then we got my older son's 21. He sleeps there with the
Okay.
bed pull out, and then we got
This is like at least a full size right here.
my son sleeps up here. My 13-year-old and my daughter 17, she sleeps down there.
Okay.
Yep.
Let me see
And
the
a nice
bathroom.
bathroom.
Oh, you got the stand-up shower. You got
Yep.
the toilet.
The shower could be a little nicer. They chintz down the shower, but
That's cool.
I don't really care about that.
Yeah, this is really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, and the toes, they say you can tow with it.
What's the weight on this one? Got TV. What's this,
60,
like
I
a
think
little
it's-
fireplace?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the fireplace.
Yep.
Sound bar on here.
Sound bar, outside
And what's the
speakers.
4-bar? No, this is 3
Well-
burner system.
We don't cook in here.
You don't cook in here?
If you ever buy a camper, don't cook in it.
Oh
And
no.
mice attack it when you're not there.
Oh wow.
So when you store it or put it wherever you're gonna store it, at your house or in the driveway, mice will attack it.
Okay, so that's
You know?
something you want to
Yeah.
keep in mind. Don't
So
cook
we have an
inside
outside
the
kitchen we don't even use because the mice will attack it. We cook everything. We have a hose. We use a longer hose. We cook on the. I think I got a little storage here.
Oh yeah, more storage.
Sure.
Okay.
Storage under there. Storage under there. Under there. Under there.
Oh wow, yeah. So
Yeah.
you could take this around
Yeah,
up
so
and
we
down the
take it
coast and
out.
everything.
Shit, we've taken it to a bunch of spots.
Okay, thank you for sharing.
You're welcome, man. Here's an outdoor kitchen. I'll show you that tomorrow. I'll open it up now, but it pulls out. We just don't use it. So you got this. Oh, it's locked. Oh, it's got the key. I'll show you
Okay.
when it's unlocked.
All right, that's no problem. Yeah. And you got the LED lights on your awning as well.
Yeah, and the front has them too, but it's too.
You got a sound system on this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. You guys want to check it out?
Sure.
Go ahead.
Should I take off my shoes?
No, you don't have to. Just wait one thing here. Watch out. I'm right there. Yep.
Grandbaby's going to go check out the RV.
See, that's where you guys would sleep. If you guys had one right there. See the bunkhouse? Yep. Nice, huh?
One day Paul gonna save some money and get one.
One day.
not.
Yeah. What do you
It's your
think?
own. Sleep in your
All right,
own.
we about to go check out Aunt Lala's
Camper.
camper. Now what is
Don't
it?
mind
This is oh my goodness. What size is this one?
32.
32 feet. Oh.
Come on, pretzel.
Where's Gizmo at? Yo, somebody keep eye on Gizmo for me, please.
Okay,
Make sure Gizmo don't need to get kicked later on.
I'll give you pick
All right, we
you
about
up.
to go inside. Got the steps out here.
I could have
They got the electric outside and that
Yeah,
Speaker
like an
system.
outdoor kitchen.
outdoor kitchen. Obviously the bed system right here.
Dirty. What are you talking about?
Oh, this is nice. You got storage up here. You got. I'm pretty sure this pulls
Yeah,
out
that's
to-
a sofa bed.
And
That's our room.
Okay. Not to be intrusive, but
Ah, you're fine. And then this sets up as a bed.
got a double sink with the. How many burners on here? 3, 4. Oh wow, 4.
4
With a microwave,
5.
storage, and an oven. It's convection oven or
Yeah,
convection oven?
when we used it once.
Okay.
Nice big fridge.
Fridge and freezer, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and it's actually, you don't usually get a lot of space in a
Oh
freezer.
wow,
but
that's a nice size. Yeah.
we got a nice size freezer.
Mhm.
This is
This
the
one.
bathroom.
This one has air conditioning too, as well, right?
Yeah. That's the bathroom, and there's like an outside exit, so you don't have
Yeah.
to go
See, this
through
is
the whole
perfect. So that way, if you do have guests and friends and family, they can just come outside, come into the bathroom and use it. You don't have
Yeah.
to come through your trailer.
camper. Right, especially like when it's raining and stuff.
Okay.
That's the one thing I wanted was outside bathroom entrance.
Yeah.
And then this is the bunkhouse. It's a little messy right
wow.
now, but
How you doing? So you got about room for 3.
well, that actually folds out to a queen size bed. So
Oh,
technically, you
wow.
can fit 4 back here. And then a TV usually goes there.
Okay. Yeah.
Big pantry.
Look at this, y'all. Wow. This is awesome.
I like our camper.
Y'all trying to get me to spend some money.
Well, now, like, we got this literally 2 weeks before COVID started.
Mhm.
Because we can resell this right now for $40,000, and we only paid $25,000, and it's loaded. Like I have an automatic vacuum. You plug in and it
Oh
stretches.
yeah, I've seen those before. It had the little.
I get it
system.
out all the time. I'm like, oh, there's dirt on the floor, and they laugh at me because I always have the vacuum out.
Okay.
And it's just a tube with a vacuum head.
Mhm.
But I like it. Well, this TV.
I want to see that that outdoor. So, but this is a setup for a TV. if you
Yeah, the
wanted to-
TV's out there for the game,
Okay, got. Okay.
so we took it off.
Oh, you help me get most running around. He's on the other campsite.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then over here they got the outdoor kitchen.
Green for it. No, promise. Gotta be Eagles green.
Oh wow, this
So
is
it's a little
amazing.
messy, but
I don't see no mess. All
you
I
got
see
a
is-
fridge, you got a big cabinet, a sink.
How is that secured? That's just in there or?
Yeah, well, it has a strap that when you're
Okay,
moving,
okay,
you
okay.
strap it.
Yeah, when we travel,
It's like anchored.
Got you. Okay.
we added the outlet over here because
Has a
there's
little
no
pull-out
outlet out here
countertop.
for anything. So
I love our outdoor kitchen.
This is awesome. Okay. What's this? Then this is the entrance right here
That's
to the
the
bathroom. Okay, yeah.
nice tie
All
down.
right, yeah. This is awesome. And they got the TV outside for the Eagles. Yeah, we got the Eagles game tonight. They playing in Brazil. So.
Yeah, you can give you a mount out here for TV too.
Okay. Oh yeah, there's another mount right there.
But you have to have a TV about this big.
Gizmo, get over here.
Be like a little 12-inch TV.
Oh yeah.
Papa, should I crack this?
Not yet.
Get over here.
No, thank you.
Yep.
Very welcome.
And then yeah, you get your little accessories to decorate the outside of your. So this is a Mallard, and this is what size is this one again?
830, I believe.
This is a 30. Oh yeah. See, I'm looking at 30s, but this is too much for me. Yeah, I might do something smaller. But yeah, this is nice. Alright, but yeah, that's how we getting in later at night. Well, it's not late. It's only what time is it? 20 minutes to 8. Gizmo, let's go. This dog. So with the trash, you burn the trash. Oh yeah, going down tonight for Eagles game. This is our tent area. Gizmo, get over here. Good dog. Oh yeah, they got a nice one. Too big for me, but yeah.
Mommy, Gizmo was acting bad.
For dinner tonight.
Gizmo is bad.
Gizmo not bad.
Gizmo made me go.
Gizmo the dog.
Go. He made me
Over
go
there,
to a
son.
random person's side.
Oh, yeah,
I
we
was the
having
one taking care of
good
him,
time out
Papa.
here.
And me.
Dinner time.
You all know what the Eagles do.
Ellie, you eating? That's a funny little girl right there.
Flyer tire.
Where's Gizmo at?
Under the table.
Where's Remy go? Remy was lit up. Oh, there you go. Remy lit up. And Gizmo is under the table lit up. They're lit up.
Right,
They're lit up. Silly child. You lit up, Ellie? You got lights on?
I don't like her.
See? You got lights on?
I need a napkin.
Nighttime camping. Nighttime. Eagles. Mother go watch the Eagles game.
Like my earring.
Oh yes, very cute.
Look at the bracelet.
Oh, so cute.
Thank you. So ugly. You're the ugly. Ow!
You want your hoodie?
I'm gonna go get that.
Gizmo down there growing.
Are you guys gonna come and watch the Eagles game?
Yeah. I gotta wrap this food up and I gotta change Ellie's diaper.
Wait, mommy, keep you
Her
going
diaper.
get dessert?
Alright, the first night has been actually pretty good. Yeah, I'm about to lay down. It's my bed right there. And yeah, the Eagles are still playing, but I'm tired. I'm about to put my pajamas on. Go to sleep, you know what I mean? What time is it? Early, man. I don't normally go to bed this early, but yeah, it's one of them nights, man. I'm nice. I've been drinking, so yeah, I'm about to take it down. See y'all in the morning for breakfast. So, surviving camping, night 1. So, I did it. Man, Gizmo did it. Gizmo, you alright? He be wanting to go with me at night when we trying to go to the bathroom.